Ever felt like you're searching for something more? You're not alone. Let's explore your path together. Could you unlock the secret to quick and effective manifestation? The ability to manifest your desires rapidly is within your reach, and it's all about mastering specific techniques that harness the power of your mind and emotions. Let's get into these techniques to help you start seeing results sooner rather than later. At the core of rapid manifestation is the concept that your thoughts and feelings shape your reality. To begin manifesting quickly, you need to first gain clarity about what you truly want. Define your goal with precision. Whether it's a new job, a better relationship, or improved health, articulate your desire in specific terms. The clearer your intention, the easier it is to focus your mental and emotional energy on achieving it. One of the most effective techniques for quick manifestation is visualization. Visualization involves creating a vivid mental image of your desired outcome. To practice this, find a quiet space where you can relax and close your eyes. Picture your goal as if it's already happening. Assume the sights, sounds, and feelings associated with your desired result. For example, if you're visualizing a new job, see yourself in your ideal workspace, engaging in tasks that excite you. Feel the satisfaction and joy as though you've already achieved this goal. The more detailed and immersive your visualization, the more powerful it becomes. Affirmations are another essential tool in the manifestation toolkit. These are positive statements that help reprogram your subconscious mind to align with your desires. Create affirmations that reflect the reality you want to experience. For instance, if you want to attract abundance, you might use affirmations like, "I am a magnet for abundance," or "I effortlessly attract financial prosperity." Repeat these affirmations daily, preferably in the morning and before bed, to reinforce your belief in your ability to manifest your desires. Ever felt a disconnect between your dreams and your reality? A chasm separating your aspirations from your current experience? This disparity can be bridged. The key lies not in external actions, but within the realm of your mind. You possess an innate power, a creative force capable of shaping your world according to your will. Assume a world where your desires effortlessly materialize, where challenges dissolve, and where your life unfolds with grace and ease. This isn't a distant dream, but a tangible possibility available to all. You possess an innate power, a creative force capable of shaping your world according to your will. The secret lies in understanding that your consciousness is the sculptor of your experience. What you focus on, what you believe, and how you feel, all contribute to the tapestry of your life. By mastering your thoughts, you gain dominion over your circumstances. Let go of the notion that external factors dictate your destiny. Instead, recognize that you are the captain of your ship, navigating through the vast ocean of possibilities. Your imagination is your compass, guiding you towards the shores of your heart's desires. Visualize your desired outcome as if it's already a reality. Immerse yourself in the emotions associated with it. Allow yourself to bask in the sensations of fulfillment, joy, and peace. This mental rehearsal primes your subconscious mind for manifestation, drawing your desires closer to fruition. Remind that the universe is a mirror reflecting your inner world. When you cultivate positivity, gratitude, and faith, the external world responds in kind. Challenges are not roadblocks but opportunities for growth and change. Think of them as stepping stones towards your ultimate goals. Persistence is paramount. Keep your focus unwavering, even when faced with doubt or setbacks. Your desires are seeds planted in the fertile soil of your mind. With consistent nurturing, they will inevitably blossom into reality. Trust in the intelligence of the universe. It knows your path better than you do. Surrender to the flow, and allow the magic of manifestation to unfold in its perfect timing. In addition to visualization and affirmations, it's important to cultivate a feeling of already having achieved your goal. This technique involves immersing yourself in the emotions you would experience if your desire were already a reality. If you're seeking a new relationship, for example, assume the feelings of love, joy, and connection you would experience with your ideal partner. By aligning your emotions with the feeling of having achieved your goal, you send a powerful signal to the universe that you are ready to receive it. One common barrier to quick manifestation is doubt. Doubt can undermine your efforts and delay your results. To overcome doubt, focus on building your self-belief and confidence. Remind yourself of past successes and affirm your ability to achieve your goals. Whenever doubts arise, counter them with positive affirmations and reaffirmations of your vision. By addressing doubt head-on, you maintain a strong, positive focus on your desires. Another crucial aspect of rapid manifestation is taking inspired action. While mental and emotional alignment are vital, action plays a significant role in bringing your desires to fruition. Identify practical steps you can take that will bring you closer to your goal. For instance, if you're looking for a new job, take steps such as updating your resume, networking with professionals, and applying for positions. Taking consistent, purposeful actions demonstrates your commitment and creates opportunities for your desires to manifest. Your mind is a potent tool, a creative force capable of shaping your reality. It's not merely a passive observer of the world, but an active participant in its creation. Your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs are the building blocks of your experience. Many believe that success is achieved through relentless effort, determination, and external circumstances. While these factors play a role, they are secondary to the power of your mind. When you align your thoughts with your desires, you tap into a potent force that can overcome any obstacle. The key lies in shifting your focus from what you lack to what you desire. Instead of dwelling on limitations and shortcomings, visualize your dreams as already realized. Feel the emotions of abundance, joy, and fulfillment as if they are currently yours. This mental shift creates a vibrational match between your inner world and your desired outcome, accelerating the manifestation process. The universe operates on the principle of like attracts like. By cultivating positive thoughts and emotions, you invite positive experiences into your life. Let go of fear, doubt, and negativity, for they hinder your progress. Replace them with faith, hope, and expectancy. It's essential to understand that manifestation is not about forcing or manipulating reality. It's about allowing your desires to unfold naturally in divine timing. Trust the process, and have faith that the universe is conspiring in your favor. Your subconscious mind is a powerful ally in this journey. By impressing upon it the image of your desired reality, you create a blueprint for manifestation. Utilize techniques like visualization, affirmations, and gratitude to reinforce your desires. Every thought you entertain, every word you speak, and every action you take contributes to the creation of your world. Choose your thoughts wisely, for they are the seeds from which your reality grows. You possess the power to create the career you desire. Believe in yourself, and let your imagination run wild. The universe is abundant, and your dream job is waiting for you. Your desired job is valid, and you deserve to experience it. Trust in your ability to manifest, and take inspired action towards your goals. The universe supports you, and your dream job is closer than you think. So, what are you waiting for? Start today. Begin with a single thought, a small act of faith. Watch as your desires unfold, and your dream job becomes a reality. Gratitude is a powerful practice that can accelerate your manifestation process. When you express gratitude for what you have, you shift your focus from what you lack to what you already possess. This shift in perspective attracts more positive experiences into your life. Cultivate a habit of gratitude by regularly acknowledging and appreciating the good things in your life, no matter how small they may seem. This practice not only enhances your overall well-being but also reinforces your positive mindset. Another technique for rapid manifestation is to use the power of present tense. Frame your affirmations and visualizations as if your desire has already been fulfilled. Instead of saying, "I will be successful," say, "I am successful." This approach creates a sense of immediacy and reinforces the belief that your goal is already a reality. By living in the present moment and acting as though your desire is already achieved, you align yourself with the vibration of your goal. Maintaining a positive mental attitude is crucial for quick manifestation. Your thoughts and feelings influence your ability to manifest your desires, so it's important to stay focused on positive outcomes. Practice mindfulness to keep your thoughts aligned with your goals. Whenever negative thoughts or feelings arise, redirect them to focus on positive aspects and affirmations. A positive attitude enhances your manifestation efforts and attracts more favorable circumstances into your life. Consistency is key to mastering quick manifestation techniques. Make visualization, affirmations, and gratitude a daily routine. The more consistently you practice these techniques, the more effective they become. Even on days when you feel discouraged or doubt your progress, continue with your practices. Consistency builds momentum and reinforces your commitment to achieving your goals. To summarize, mastering quick manifestation techniques involves clear intention, visualization, affirmations, feeling the emotions of your desired outcome, overcoming doubt, taking inspired action, practicing gratitude, using present tense, maintaining a positive attitude, and being consistent. By integrating these techniques into your daily routine, you can enhance your ability to manifest your desires rapidly and effectively. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and let us know in the comments how these teachings have impacted your life. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We appreciate your support.